good singing song right now. Yo, Zoe, yeah. NIU, with my boy Jay.
What's up?
Yeah, playing COD, Call of Duty for all you noobs that don't know what that is. Day 1, actually day 3 for me. Killing this game. It's like a drug, it's like crack. Well, my crack is water, but you know.
Already having dreams about it.
I'm already having dreams, right? That's exactly what he said. Say it again.
He's already having dreams, nightmares.
I know, I'm having like erotic dreams about Call of Duty, like I'm in bed and like stab person right behind. But yeah, I'm just making this out of no reason. Go and do this for like a couple of days, see how it goes out.
We're gonna turn it into MTV.
Well, yeah, we're gonna go on MTV, not the Real World. That's gay. We're going on True Life.
We want to be like all the other losers out there.
We're the best. Yes. We're the best.